Díomá agus fáilte arás go gaeilge mo crí. And if you are new here, fáilte go gaeilge mo crí. Hello and welcome back to Irish in my heart. And if you are new here, hello and welcome to Irish in my heart, my YouTube channel that I have created to help you to learn Irish. Today, the topic of the video then is how to say how you feel in Irish. So how to describe your feelings. So this week on my Instagram, if you're not following that, I'll have that linked in the description. So this week I was posting kind of figures of speech to describe how you feel, rather than just I'm happy, I'm sad, which is what I'm going to go over today, you know, cover the basics. So before I get started with the feelings, that sounded really weird, but before I get into telling you how to say all these different emotions, first there's an important thing that I want to tell you. So when you're saying how you feel in Irish, it's different to how you would say it in English. So you might know, if you've been following my Instagram or you've been watching my YouTube videos, that to say I am, for certain things you can say tá mé. Now it is not the same for feelings. You cannot say, for example, hunger is Ocras. So you cannot say tá mé Ocras, because Ocras means hunger. So you would literally be saying I am hunger. So in order to say that you are sad, you are hungry, happy, whatever, you have to say it in a way that the feeling is on you. So that is how it's phrased in Irish. So there is hunger on me. The structure then goes like this: tá, and then the feeling, orainn. That's how you would say I feel whatever way. Now, orainn comes from joining the two words air and may. So air in Irish means on, and may is I or me. So it's on me, air may. But in Irish, they are joined to form the word orainn. Now I'm going to tell you very quickly how to say it for any other person as well. So I posted a while back on my Instagram, I think it was back in December, the different pronouns, how to say I, you, he, she, we, you all, and they. So I'll just tell you again because it sounds better. I don't think I put up a recording for it. So anyway, how you say I is may, how you say you, tu, he, she, which can also be used for it. She is she, but of course it's spelled differently than English. And we is shin or mudge. You can say either. You all is shiv, and they is shade. I, you, he, she, we, you all, and they. And then that's may, tu, she, she, shin, shiv, shade. If he is feeling that way, if they are feeling that way, if we are feeling that way. After orainn then comes art. So art is used to say you are sad, you are hungry. For he, it is air. She is uirthi. We, you use orainn. You all, so you plural, is oraibh. And for they, it's orthu. So now you have the sentence structure, you just need to know the feelings. So tá, feeling, and then I, you, he, she, we, you all, they, and you choose orainn, art, air, uirthi, orainn, oraibh, orthu, depending on who is having the feeling. I hope I explained that well. It's a little bit difficult when I don't have like a whiteboard or whatever. Maybe that would be a good idea actually. Anyway, not today. And of course, that's not just for feelings. There's different things that you're going to have to say are on someone, or there's different situations where you're going to have to use that form of being on you or he to say other sentences. And now I'm going to tell you how you say these different emotions. So to say that you are happy, I would say tá áthas orainn. So happiness is áthas. And if you're saying you are happy, tá áthas ort. If you're saying he is happy, tá áthas air. To say I am sad, you would say tá brón orainn. Scared is eagla, tá eagla orainn. So for anger then it's Fearg. Disappointed, Díomá. Surprised, Ionadh Worried, Imní. Excited, Sceitimíní. Embarrassed, Náire. Jealous, Ionadh. Proud, Bród. If you're saying that you are hungry, you would say tá, Ocras, orainn. Thirsty is Tart. And then something a little different, it doesn't follow the structure of tá, feeling, and then plus whatever pronoun. So if you're going to say you're sick, you would just say tá mé chin. Okay, I could probably go on for a long time. There's probably feelings I missed out on, but I feel like that's a good covering of some useful feelings anyway that you would have. Before I finish this video, I just want to say áthas because just 2 days ago I hit 100 subscribers on this channel, and I know I've had a few more since then. So I know that doesn't sound much in the world of YouTube, but for me to hit 100 subscribers, like I'm really happy with that, and I'm really proud of myself for starting this channel and just sharing the beautiful Irish language with you and having a community of people who are so interested to learn it. It's really encouraging, and I just feel really thankful for your support and interest. If there's any feelings that I missed out on or that you would like to know how to say in Irish, then just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to help out. Apart from that, that is all for today. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and also subscribe if you would like to see more of my content, and turn on your notifications because that way you will know when I upload. Gora maigat agus slán leat.